Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's recipe is Aam ka Papad. As I have promised, I'm back with a super easy recipe which you can make with mango. These Aam ka Papads are chewy, tangy, sweet, and above all, it's very easy to make. So let's see how we can make. In a pan, add in the puree of mango. I have just blended the mango to a smooth puree without adding water. And then add about 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of sugar and mix in well. As the combination of mango and sugar has a tendency to always bubble and splatter, so it's always better to use a large pan or kadai as I have used. That's only 1/3 full after you've added the ingredients. Stir continuously and on medium flame, cook this until it thickens. After mixing for about 2 minutes, add in about 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice. I have added here lemon juice. If you have vinegar, even that you can add, as both lemon and vinegar act as a preservative. So any one of these you can add. Turn the heat up to high and boil the mixture hard for about 20 minutes. After continuously stirring for about 15 minutes, you can see that the texture and color has completely changed. It means it's done. Turn off the heat. Brush some ghee on a steel plate. Now pour this mango mixture onto the plate and spread it evenly. See, Aam ka Papad entirely depends upon the quantity of mango pulp poured onto the tray. As the thickness increases, the sun dry time also increases. Now at this stage, if you wish, you can add some rock salt, chaat masala or even red chili powder. It's completely your wish, or you can leave as such as I have left. Cover this with a cling film just to protect this from dirt and dust, as we are going to sun dry this outside. Keep it outdoor under the sun for drying. It may take you 2 to 3 days to dry out completely. Once it dries, loosen the edges with a knife and peel it gently. Now you can see it has completely dried out. Look at the color. Finally, cut them into desired shape of your choice. I am cutting them to square shape. You can roll them as well and store it in an airtight container, and you will stay up to for 2 weeks. Kids and grown-ups will also like this. Our long-lasting delicacy is ready to enjoy. Hope you found this video useful. If so, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until I come back with another super easy recipe. Take care. Bye-bye.